Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to write a program that will display an asterisk triangle image using Pascal programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here program centered triangle, and then I have here several variables var, rows, I, j, and k, which are integer. So when we say integer, it refers to a data type that are whole number, positive and negative number. There are no decimal places. Begin rows, I assign 8. For I want 2 rows, do begin, and then another for loop statement, j 1 2 rows minus I, do, we have created a space here. Another for loop statement, k 1 to 2 multiply by I, which is on the top, 1 to 8 minus 1, do begin, and then generate asterisk image triangle, right line and red line. Wait for the user to press before closing the program and end the program, period. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with our online GDB to run the code. Click the run button here. Okay, so we have here the asterisk triangle image generated by Pascal programming language. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video about how to write an asterisk triangle image using Pascal programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button if you are new. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.